Good morning. I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to your low production TA show. We got our coffee, we got our charts. We are ready to go. We're going to start here with Bitcoin, the big daddy of coins. On the daily, looks like we are putting in bearish divergence. Money flow coming down. Looks like VWAP's already crossed over. RSIs are super tight up there. Coming down though. Yeah, so that is confirmed, because that's the dot from yesterday. So that is confirmed bearish divergence on the daily. And what divergence is if price is getting higher and you come down to your oscillator. I use Market Cipher B, shout out CryptoFace. Your momentum waves are getting lower. That's the divergence. Price is getting higher, your momentum's getting lower. That's what we call a bearish divergence. Now it can go the same. Price can be getting lower and lower. Actually, there's actually some good divergence, bullish. You know, you have bearish divergence and bullish divergence. We have some good bullish divergence wanting to print on the 2 hour right now, which could see a little move to the upside. See, you got your low, you got your anchor wave on Market Cipher B. Price is putting in a lower low, but now you're starting to print a trigger wave. Looks like I always want to see what everything else is doing as well. VWAP could be starting to curve up. Get a nice curve on the VWAP. That's what you want. Like the janky stuff, it works. It'll get the job done. But for a beautiful trade entry, that VWAP, that beautiful, just a curved VWAP is what you want. And these uneven cheeks here, they're so powerful on Market Cipher. They just work out, and it's best. I find it's best when they play out just like this. Like there's no in between jumping and making a red dot here, a green dot there. It's just a smooth boom, and price reacts. Let's go back to the daily. As you can see, we wanted to flip this spider line to support. We were not able to, so we're gonna lose that. That is resistance right there. Major resistance. Could potentially. So we got that bearish dip there. Come back down. Hopefully hold this spider line as support before making a higher high. But to make it a real strong move, daily, yeah, I guess this will work. This yellow line, 31.8, has been support throughout the previous bull market. Once we lost it, it became resistance several times. 1, 2, 3, close to, yeah, several times. But now we have flipped it. As you can see, we have flipped it. We went into this low volume over here. Shout out to Frankie Candles, Mr. Low Volume Profile. We have entered low volume profile for buying. This is all the buying profile that happened between these prices, right? Not a lot, so you have quick moves. Like, look at that. That is super fast. But you're in a low volume. Super fast. Low volume. But yeah, so we flipped that. That became, we lost it there. We try to regain it, but that was officially resistance. Boom, rejected. Boom, hard rejection. Boom. So we fought along and tried to come back up. Boom, rejected again. We thought about talking to her right there. The spider line got in the way. We calmed down. Boom, flipped it to support. But now we need to make sure it's support. We need to retest the flip. And we could be coming to do that this week, depending on the divergence. I mean, 36, what? 36.3 to 31.8, healthy correction. See, come down here, nail that. Just wick down to it, not even close candles around it. Just wick down and continue on our way up. As you can see here, you have golden pocket between 48, we'll just call it 48 and 50. And there is not much resistance. If we can flip this spider line, I feel like, into support, we could possibly, because we blasted through these two. Flip that one to support, played around, blasted through those two, flipped this one. Yeah. But it all depends, guys. All depends. It could all go down to 0. It could all go up to 100K within a second. You never know. Bitcoin's going to Bitcoin. But this would be our next logical area. There's a lot of stuff going on with the Bitcoin ETF, whether it's going to get if it gets approved, 50K is right there. Denied, probably fumble around the 30,000, 35,000 areas for a while. I can see us, that ETF does not come through. I can see us bing bonging around these spider lines. It's 33 to 37, 38. Yeah, we've been bong around there for a bit. Let's see what's happening locally. Like I said, on the 2 hour, you are getting bull divs here. That could bring price up a little bit, but those bear divs play out. There is already starting to play out. So I'm guessing we're in for some sort of correction. Yeah, it's already played out majorly. I saw it forming yesterday. I haven't been on the charts like talking about the last week. Still getting adjusted, settled in. Spend a lot of time with the family. After doing this full time, or deciding to do this full time, quitting my job and whatnot. So what is this, daily? Yeah, this is probably going to play out. We probably do have more downside, but it'd be nice, it'd show a healthy market move if we come down, wick support, and continue up. But let's go to a more local time frame. Ooh, blood diamonds. We don't like to see the blood diamonds unless we're shorting the market, because boy do they play out. Yeah, you got your one here, you got your second one. Usually these things run together. Yeah, on these lower time frames, I don't know, I'd keep an eye out. Let's draw some local fibs, huh? Let's go from this low to that high. See what Fibonacci's telling us. So we'll grab this fib from this high to that low. You can see where your next area, played around it and lost it. Fucking boom, lost it. See where our support's gonna be from these areas. Right there at the 7, and this is very local fibs here. Yeah, so the 786 here. Yeah, we could lose it. But that's all local. That's very local. It's nothing. Let's see about a 4-hour fib. It's still the same. Do a little more local. Yep. So that's good resistance. 37.2. You see it just played off that golden pocket for so long. We could never flip it to support. What was market cipher B telling us during that time? Key resistance, bearish divergence, money flow coming down. VWAP wanting to cross over, got that rejection. Yeah, that's what you want. That's what goes best with market cipher B, is your key levels of support and resistance. You wait for them to get to those key levels, and then you see what market cipher B is telling you. It's saying it's going to go down. And what did it do? Boom, it went down. Market cipher B is not a lagging indicator, it is a leading indicator. It is telling you what is going on in the market in real time. Listen to it. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin. It looks like we're going to have some downside movement for today, maybe the next couple of days. Let's see what ETH is doing. Flipped that 786 and blasted off. Hi. Let's go to the daily here. Not quite making bearish. Yeah, it might be. Because technically this is your high, right? But momentum is going down. That's still a pretty high momentum wave there. I mean, technically, I guess. Wherever would be down here would be. You got your high. Price has been getting higher. Yeah, bearish divergence on the daily for Ethereum. Now this is some pretty drawn out divergence, but nonetheless you could still consider it. Money flow coming down. VWAP just crossed over. Those VWAP crossovers are powerful. Yeah, I'd say powerful, especially on these smaller time frames. If you want to scalp the market, it reacts off these VWAP crossovers. And if you can have everything else lining up with that crossover, the crossover, price reaction, crossover, price reaction, cross back over, price reaction. It just does the damn thing. But that's not what we're here to worry about. What was it? Bullish divergence on the 2 hour for Bitcoin. I don't really see anything there. I see sideways movement for Ethereum, honestly. See it moving sideways. Let's go to King XRP. Look at that wick. That 2 hour wick. All the way to 75 cents. Okay, beautiful. Let's draw some support fibs. You got your low. Not a lower low. So no divergence there. You are at the golden pocket. Right there at the golden pocket. Let's do another fib here. Yeah, so your support's all the way through right here for what is this, 2 hour? What's that right here? So yeah, for the last 5 days, this has been your strongest area of support for XRP. If you don't know how to draw Fibonacci, sorry. If you don't know how to draw your Fibonacci's, it's very simple. Come over here to the left, fib retracement, and you want to draw from the top to the bottom. Now you have your resistance. Whenever price is coming up to this key support or key resistance, you want to see what your oscillators are doing, whichever oscillators you have. If you can afford market cipher, I hope you need to get it, because it prints money. It will tell you exactly what you need to do if you know how to speak its language. And that's what we want. See, another. So she's just fighting all around the golden pocket right now. I'm sure this is a macro golden pocket. If you go out to your weekly, you can draw from the highs to the lows as well. And that'll give you a more macro outlook on the market. Oh, I remember those prices. That's crazy. Where did I draw it? What? This one? Fucking see. Oh. And you see on the macro, the weekly time frame, you did just come up against heavy resistance. A heavy golden pocket right there. And she rejected you. Of course she did. So that's your fib retracements. Great levels to find. Okay, so that was XRP. Let's see, H-bar. Shouts out to the H-barbarians. What is this? Daily? Kind of choppy. Got a little choppy chop going. It's hard to say. Money flow's coming down, VWAP's going to come down. You got your red dot 2 days ago. But that's not really, I wouldn't call that divergence, I don't think. Maybe. Yeah, actually, maybe. That red dot might be higher. I don't know, it's hard to tell. Hard to tell on this one. See if we can't break it down on a local level. Not really divergence there. Yeah, looks like some sideways movement for H-bar, in all honesty. You got your low, not really a lower low. Yeah, I'm gonna say sideways on that one. We got Ada over here. What's the Ada? The Cardano. What's she doing? Flipped the golden pocket here. You flipped that golden pocket and you blast off, didn't you? Looking real divergences from what I'm seeing. Money flow's still pretty thick. You do just have that recent. But, I mean, the market's going to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to Bitcoin, and it looks like she has some correction to do this week. But since I said that, she's probably just going to go straight to 100K. Alright. Well, that'll do it for me in this TA update. I will be back with more either this evening or another video tomorrow. I'm trying to get into it. Day one right here. I know I don't have the best camera or mic set up, but we're gonna get there. We are gonna make it, as they say in the cryptoverse. I hope everyone stays safe, stay blessed. Spend some time with your loved ones and just enjoy life, man. It's too short not to enjoy. I'm out. Peace.